Yes, my great people of Edo land, I greet una. Una good afternoon. I beg everybody, make una stand up, make una wake up. This one wey dey happen for Edo State so, not be good thing at all, not be good thing, my people. I beg me everybody share this video. Share this video, share am, wherever where you dey, share am. Share this video, share am. Share this message, share am. We dey with una, we just dey. This message is very important for all Edo youth. It's very important for all Edo youth. Abeg make una share am. We get like 3 minutes to share this video. Make una share am before I talk with it. Before I go begin show this video, make una see am. And for we no wake up this time, you know say things where we dey wait make it happen. It go soon happen. And it don dey happen, they come. So this na the time where we go wake up for our sleep. I agree to now. So my people, I agree to now once again. Now Great Edo United Movement, now it can let una know say wetin dey happen for Edo State. I beg, may we wake up. May we get up for sleep where we dey sleep. Because why? Fulani S-men, wetin they do for Edo State now, e don come show to us say the prepare where they want to armor our people. Now e don dey show to us. E don dey show all Edo State, kill all the whole Western Nigeria. My people, Edo United Movement now come say make una wake up for sleep. Before I go show this video, where una go see. I dey talk this thing every time. Say e no good, may we all at least the youth will see the men for us, they kill themselves. Why Fulani S-men no see chance to penetrate us? 2, this one are the reason where we dey talk every time. Say may all the old Edo, Isha, Aunshi, whatever where Edo land pass, may they unite as one people. May we all know say yes, that land may belong to us. May they not come drive us away from our land. Because why? If oppression we don't concern gun, concern class, share blood. Now who get power pass, now they win. That one are normal for everybody to understand what they go on for our Edo land now. I agree to now say, I beg, make una wake up. Because while Fulani S-men, what did they do for Nigeria now, it can't show to us, say, they don't prepare. Say they want to use Nigeria turn to Islamic country. Now, how they want to do, and now the vision where they plan, now they do so. They don't say on the old Fulani S-men now they see be Boko Haram. And they let una know now, say, now Fulani S-men, now see be Boko Haram. Now, they say, okay, if they use that Boko Haram, it will come concern Hausa. If it concern Hausa people, then if the fight don't come, then Hausa will suffer and well because why Hausa food yo Nigeria they begin carry Fulani S-men put for front till they do the mission now. Make it not come be say early in the morning before we go wake up in the morning. Then they don't carry class, carry knife, carry gun, bail up everybody for neck. Now they go bust your door, come meet you for inside house. Bail up you. No can show say you no answer alarm Kuba. Mishkila, you don't go be that one. So my people, an opportunity for us be this one. Be say, may we dey listen to ourselves. May we not betray ourselves again. May we know what it be unity and peace and love. My people, now what it make me just come out this afternoon say yes, this video I go do am. No matter anything wey be say yes I dey do. You know quick me do anything. part for this video this right time. Now so we go your day, we go dey look. They will come kill all our children finish. Kill our sister, our brothers. Now so we go there, we go dey look them. And now so we go dey look, then all the old mission where they get for their hand, say they want change Nigeria to Islamic. Without they not oppress the rest people, they not go fit. Neither they do so. And I can use this opportunity to let you know, say, now the leaders when he send them, now he send them this work, say, make una, it be like somebody now, you go tell and say, go find this family, go find the problem. Then when the problem does start, you see and say, the people when he send them, they will fight the people. Now wait till they happen so. So, my people, make I put this video for now, make una watch am. Make una see wetin dey happen for Edo State o. Make una see the way they take kill human being, you go know say this one the purpose kill this woman. Wetin Edo people go do, make we do am. Na be this. My great people, I hope una dey see wetin I see for here. Those one are bad issue, bad omen, insult to Edo State, insult to all the leaders in Edo State. This na the work of wetin Tony Kabaka for day for Edo citizen now. Edo youth, wetin Tony Kabaka for day for us now be this one now. As our new masquerade for the Edo land. Mr. Tony Kabaka, now where you support to day for us now be this. If na say na since morning or since then you carry boys, load boys, they be say yes, you load them go each corner for Edo State, be say yes, they protect all Edo citizens. I believe say na very good job now they do. But this one now will be say called the apple now. This one now, wait till this one now stand for us. Will they lose or will they gain? Will they try to grow up or are we going down? I beg who get Governor Obaseki. Make it give me the number. I beg anybody we no saying get Governor Obaseki number. Make it bring am. I get wetin I want tell am. Because why this one now wisdom we will use this time. Because why they don't carry our own face now, face ourselves. Maybe we fight ourselves. So right now, my people, I use this opportunity to come to let una know say there's nothing like say wetin you quit do. I beg me all the old youth, make una get up for where una dey, make una stand. That thing wey una know wey be say yes, person no fit use am oppress una. I beg make una use am now. Make una use am before they will kill all our children finish. And make una remember say na pikin na dey bury mama and papa. No be papa dey bury pikin. Make una remember this thing. We be Edo. The really Edo Injiji na we be. The Pitika Edo tradition na we be. This na the time we be say yes, and we all go to know our right. This na the time where we all go to fight for our peace, for our land. Since then, we dey talk and say, make una try, make una join hand together, make una join this great Edo United movement. Now movement when it come to come be say yes, he want come fight for Edo land, Edo citizen, Edo youth, where he reach for the whole world. But many of us never see join. So that at this kind of happen now, we no message will be say yeah, we go the self go each corner will be say see what we go to do. This na the time I will be say I first talk and say we not feel the complaint say government they not pay they pay government this one they pay this they not pay citizens again. We not feel complain again. Wait till we get for hand to do now. Now it matters a lot. What we have in hand now to do is what matters. Not to the complain again. Not be today we know say Europe, daughter road, reach us. So anybody where they social media, is he go to show train station, they show how Europe find reach, Nigeria never find. My brother and my sister, I just a waste time. Let's find waiting we they do for hard now. May we carry them up, may we they do one so that other tribe now if we can oppress us for our land. Now wait till I can use this opportunity to let all Edo youth make no say yes. We stand for our back, say yes. This now wait till we are going to do, not to they fight each other. Those are the things we are supposed to do now, to they protect ourselves from death, from evil. You see your brother, they go inside hole, you will carry and come back. Those are the love, not to talk and format. So this opportunity now, I can use and tell you now say, this thing when it happens, so you now see the way they take that woman. You see where they put goat, where they kick a cow, you go shoot knife for inside his throat. Now so they take that woman. Personally, they want to see how they take the animal where they escort. Whether na so the human being take the shake before they die. All those they call they use we take the learn how to kill person, be how. Call they learn evil. Now, I they make una understand say our president Buhari, for me na Fulani estimate confirm 9B2 into na Boko Haram. Because why I never see any state where be say or any country. Me I put a country because a state is not just because me I don't see follow many country. I never see where anything they happen for any state. Then the president no go talk. The president no go send military to go to guide those citizens. I never see him. Now only Nigeria. Buhari had now don't see him. The way they take kill this woman now, he showed to everybody, even they won't cut his leg. Where the other of his leg? They even cut his leg to the extent that what Edo people go do make they do one. The thing they pay me. The thing they pay me. They pay me. They shot my heart. Why we not feel stand for ourselves? Why we not feel love ourselves? To the extent say, aunt no will feel bite one of us. Now so go the day. Now so they will kill all our children finish. We will be the papa now will call the bury our children. Una like am, my people. My people are the shed tears as I see this thing, they cry. My youth people, Edo youth, make una wake up. Make una wake up. Make una wake up, please. Make una wake up. The iron don't red. The iron don't red. So te nowhere no fit follow again. The iron don't red. So wetin we go do now be say, may all the old youth wake up now. Make una no look anybody face. Make una wake up. Make una strike back. I tell una na make una strike back. Cause this thing, we want let them know say now we be the Edo. We know the key person. We know the fight person. We fit fight ourselves. We dey fight ourselves to understand ourselves. We know they carry the fight go to meet another person. This chance one they give Hausa people, so I believe that year will be say yes, Hausa quarter. Only small thing with those people they say suya they put a plate for head. Only small thing where they go do, you know they see the way Edo people, the time we be say we did, the way they treat them, all those nonsense not they happen now. All those nonsense not they happen. This one are nonsense. 100 over nonsense. 0. Edo state where they hear for the whole world say the boys now so they be. What you call the happen to now where they kill na citizen for na. They kill na youth for na. My people, I beg make una share this. I beg make una share this video. Make una share am. Make una share am. Make it go all over viral. Make it make sure say he reach President Buhari hand. Say Edo people, Edo youth, they want begin to kill our brothers. The way his brothers they kill our brothers now. My people, I beg all of una. Make una not they look any politician eyes again. Because the politician we will get for only Edo State, he reach will be say yes, Edo State go take good. Edo land go take good. See the rain when he fall yesterday, I be there for yesterday. See what he do for Edo land. He finish the whole houses. At the same time now Fulani S-men, they can't do their own again. They can't kill people. Just kill person, kill am like the way that they kill cow, shoot knife for inside his throat, pass him out, come out. Then at the same time, they cut his leg, carry his leg, come out. Then wait till Edo people go do, make they do am. The youth, make una wake up, make una wake up. Make una not begin to do this matter like this again. Fulani S-men, they not just be Fulani S-men. Now regime, now this thing be to Nigeria. And regime, see now all the old Fulani, they spread the whole Nigeria, they go. They don't enter Yoruba land, enter Benin. Nah, Igbo land now, they want to take over now. Now Igbo land will not be their own. Now they say they want to go, they do vigilante. To the kill the poor Igbo people, one by one. Before it be say they go strike overnight, I be in the morning where they want. All Fulani S-men, I tell you now, no one will not get AK-47. No one. They buy and give them. They get leader where they send this thing say yes. And the leader he concern Buhari. If Buhari say no, this thing a lie. Now 100% lie. Say Buhari say no. Now lie. May Buhari not come they follow our Oba. They can't play. May people they can't kill our people because you know say if our Oba something verse and for mad, now the whole world, now the thing verse. Buhari know, he know. Now make now, if they want use our Oba to do 5 and 6. They can't do this nonsense. You see the way these our people now they die now. I'm not happy at all. I'm not happy. My people now so good there. I can't use this opportunity to tell you and say these people they don't enrage and now say the day where they will say make they strike. All of them they don't carry weapon put for each corner for each state. The day where they will say make they strike, my people at the level and know say that day they go boss door come meet your house, come meet you for inside house. Bail up you with arms where they get. if you don't say Allah Kuba, you don't finish. The one way say Allah Kuba, they don't leave them. They will join Muslim by force. Before this thing now go happen, may all Fulani in the way they do Edo State, may the whole youth, make una rise up, make una drive all. Then may we see the military where Buhari wants to come. May we see her now because why? We no want share blood, but they can't share our blood. We not feel quiet, make they kill all our children for our eye. Mama will call the bury children. You not don't see them for life before? No. The great Edo United Women say now we they come. And those of una, those our member where they Nigeria now. Thank God say yes. All of una now, una no say yes, see what they happen, and don't see what they talk every time. Say if we not unite now, we not stand as one. Now so honorable breeze, now go just scatter all of us. Honorable breeze, not even fight. Honorable breeze. Now go scatter everybody. So I can't use this opportunity to let una know now say, my people, may we not just overlook this thing. May we not overlook this thing. This is not the time we be say yes and we go take get mindset. This is not the time where we all go take come together as one people. So that we will get more force, we will get one word, we will fit to follow up those people. I beg una. I just personally come beg una. Make una wake up from una sleep. Make una not give chance to this Fulani herdsmen to finish us. Before those una brother we see the diaspora will come back, come join una. We get plan. Not be just say money be everything. Most of us don't get plan now say yes. We they come ask to come be say yes, we want come join una. Come stay for home. They maintain home. We don't the plan now. Most of us don't the plan now. So I can't use the opportunity to let una know now say, make una not give chance to Fulani to finish us. Fulani herdsmen, I beg, Edo people. The way they take kill this lady now, you will see and say, now purpose killing. How you go carry knife, shoot person for inside throat, kill and finish, cut his leg, carry one of his leg, come out. My people, more na reason that place now. More na underline that word, that place, cut person leg, carry come out. Shoot knife for inside person throat. My people, now so go there. How long will we begin face this stress? Okay, now we the diaspora. Our mind not reach ground here. Okay, now our people will see they train for home, they save for home. Now Fulani herdsmen want finish them for us. Now be say the suffer will come suffer for the diaspora. They want me or go in vain. My people, now blow and laugh. Now what they do with them? Not be just say we just carry they do grig like people we don't understand themselves. No, this one fight you fight them. He knock you knock him. Now this one one scores. We don't forget the old scores that they made before. We don't start to the count and follow them now. 1-1 and then they lead now 1-0. Voila. 1-0 night day now. Now we go revenge jam. Make the whole world see me well. We go revenge that these women, this lady with the kiss so. I swear, if for Fulani not go down for Edo State, you know say not be me they talk. So it don't reach like this way be say you go even keep picking. You go even keep picking for mama head. May mama go bury her. You go even keep picking for papa head. May papa go bury her. My people, may we wake up. May we wake up from our sleep. The way this woman dead till die, it pay me. The other day, now so Fulani, we be say they guide one woman. I don't forget, I see the same Sapler Road that side. I be dey find that video, I not see him. I for see play that one make una see him. The way they take kill that woman, and he aboki when he dey guide down. Where security wey put for us, now he go carry 9 of his friends come join body. They kill this woman finish, they burn her inside house, carry all his gold, property, everything. Now just luck, now they tell no say, now aboki will be gate man for the house. Now kill that woman, burn her for inside house. If not be the neighbor, where did the other, where did the compound, the other compound, the neighbor. Now I come and say, aboki do the pack thing so. Before people now come begin search, go look for aboki, the aboki come confess, say, see how they take that woman. This one now, why I not even get time to do that woman live video? Because why I not see the woman cough, I not see he disease, I not see her for her. But this one now confirm, I just see her crow. They kill him like animal. Shook knife for inside his throat. Cut one of his leg come out. That one I wait. That one not be wickedness. Now evil be that one. My people, I use opportunity come tell you no say this video not too long ago. I just say me I make una understand. I beg make una share them. Make una share this video. Yes, it go be like 30 minutes. Because when I take come back, I never even bath. Now just day so. I beg, I use opportunity to tell you and say, if we begin wait, make this thing they come ripe like this, they go. Now say it go ripe, the fruit go ripe, we not go let us shop. So this is just the time we be say yes, how they do, go they do them the back. How they do, go they do them. How they do, go they do them. Because why? This one not be time to make patient again. This not that time to the strike back again. Because why? Not be government they be. So once you who send them. So now you go make us they strike them back now. So that who send them, make them come out. Because why? Military, police, OSAS, the Buhari, no to say no see this death. He no to say no see this our sister, late sister death. So you know to say no see him. So my people, now opportunity for now we be say yes, now when we take grow, now just the chance we take this. So I first talk on the other video when I make say, may we prepare our land. If they say they want share Nigeria, we go there. If they say they don't want share, we there. Because why we not ready to say we hate anybody for that Nigeria. But the one where they call they do now, they can't show to us and say the Nigeria don't cast. Nigeria don't cast finish. Pata, 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 pata. Nigeria not there again. No Nigeria. May Aishish citizen they bear his state name. No more Nigeria again. Because why? Since where Buhari enter power, in short, they start this thing for good Lord Jonathan time. The one where they keep for good Lord Jonathan time, we want to say the thing, it's too much. The one where they don't kill since where Buhari did now, till now, more than reason, my people, it's too much. Now, Fulani S-men, now they come spread. If you see, look there for map, the way that they spread, they enter the whole Nigeria. Now, they want to run the whole Nigeria. If they don't run the whole Nigeria finish, the war will start. Una never know, my people, make una know. Una never know, make una know. Fulani S-men don't buy instrument down. Where? They don't buy down. Anywhere that they go, that they carry AK-47, they follow each other. They go. Both small pikin, they will teach how to carry gun. Now gun I can carry for life, I be una can achieve. So those who want to see achieve now, una not let them achieve. Una not let the country good. Fulani S-men, make una run for Edo State. Edo State not be una land. Make una run for Edo State. Edo State not be una land. Fulani S-men. And if this killing go on again, I tell you, all the whole answer quarter, all go finish. All the whole answer quarter go finish. Because why? We dey talk say Aboki na wicked people. Now really, Aboki na wicked, evil people. You know many things where Aboki don't carry come down Nigeria. Bomo na they carry a come. touch you, your prick run. Now they carry and come. We never, even the Fulani S-men, I remember that time Fulani, we the dash the money, the full ring road, full everywhere for Benin. We know they kill them, we know they drive them. Why waiting come they come they against us now, they kill us. So my people, now wait till now go reason, now look at the way Fulani come they kill us now. That leg, that woman leg where they cut come out now. Not be shop, they want to shop that leg. They want to take go do pepper soup. Of which nobody go talk. Now me they do more and more. So we not feel say because of say our government not they do anything, then we ourselves not feel organize ourselves. No, we go feel organize ourselves. May we try, may we they join group where we no say yes, the movement where we no say yes, they organize. You know themselves. Not be movement will be say yes, They just ready for only themselves. No. Movement will not say yeah, ready for the land. May all those cities they join. Make una they join. May we all join as one people. This is our movement, so Great Edo United Movement. I tell you, the more movement will be say yes, he come to come help the poor, to come save the citizen, Edo citizen. Now I just say because say this few times now we be say yes, we take start. Now we never grow. I yes now 6 months 9 days now where we they follow up this thing. So my people, I beg. I use opportunity to beg una. Because of una now I just okay, may I run do this video because why I get things when I they do. So I know if you just say me and they overlook everything like that. So this is not the time we say we need to stand for our right. We need to fight for that justice. May we not live injustice life again. May we not live a suffering and smiling life again. Because while we get many things to do for life, for our citizens, for our future. May not come be say people will be say they don't condemn for that Nigeria, can they use how they rob the people will be say yes, they get future. So my people, una go reason everything when I talk, so una will say, I beg, the truth of the matter be say, make una join all movement who una no say yes, you want support una for that those land. Make una join. May we all rise up now for our stand. May we stand. May we not do things where we say yes and they sluggish again. May we not betray ourselves. That one thing. Because why did I say the see vision say we be like say we not love ourselves. Now may they feed the entire side us. Because if we love ourselves, go they hard for them to come and do this kind of nonsense. So my people, an opportunity be this one where we all go to know ourselves, where we will take rise. So I beg, who love his country, who love his land, and in other Nigeria, make it join Edo United Movement Revolution. 1. Make it join any movement where you know say yes, you go support them for that Nigeria. Governor Obaseki, where you dey? Governor Obaseki, where you dey? Where you dey where they kill your citizen? Where you dey? Odumodu, you will be the Okalotu. You know if he says soldiers, maybe they run the whole Edo state since. Maybe they run down say now that won't be their work. Now say the security. Anywhere they see Fulani S-men, maybe they arrest them the way una they send them to the arrest Edo citizens. Because say they be caught, they be this one. But this one, caught and Fulani S-men, me not know the one when he go past now. Because why? The caught people that they kill themselves. The Fulani S-men, they not they kill themselves, they call key people. Una see difference when they there. Now two things. So I beg that court issue. Make una just put them for one side. Make una put them for one side. May we use and fight our justice. out. May we use and fight for ourselves. May we know ourselves. May we get force for our country. May we know wetin time talk for our country. Now waiting, I can't say me, I use this opportunity to let you know. Say yes, enough is enough. We know if we take this nonsense and shit again. I beg any person when you want to join us, our number dey there. Join a Great Edo United movement. Now movement will be say yes and go take our youth to the next level. Will be say yes, They know if we suffer for life because why we get vision, we get dream for that our land. So Mona support this movement. Now waiting, I fit tell now for now. Now be this one. So my people, make una wake up. Make una wake up from una sleep. Edo youth, wake up. Wake up. May we join Oba of Benin, repair that land. May we join Oba of Benin, repair that land. So that Fulani may not fit collect our land from our hand. Fulani may not fit drive us away from our land. Because why if war don't start now? Not be waiting with the talk, so with the talk. Now Bob Pikin put her for back, now it can't be. Because why? They know what that they do. They know before they come up for their state, they come on another state, come they do this nonsense, they do this evil, they know say people now back then. Ah yes, you carry the reach any station, person see the way you come be there with one hand. So if those things they happen, we not fit follow up. Now be say we not be Nigeria. We not be part of Nigeria. So if we the cry come out, the president not the one listen to us, we are not citizens of Nigeria. May each people, every citizen, they bear his state name. Now me talk am. May every citizen they bear his state name. Now waiting I message when I can't give you now for this evening. Now be this one, My people, make una take care of una self. Make una they protect una self. May all the old youth they at alert. Make una they at alert. Something about to happen. Something strong is about to happen in Nigeria. Make una they at alert. Something strong is about to happen in Nigeria. They want to finish all the old Christian in Nigeria. Make una they hear now. Agree to una my people, One love, Make una join this Great Edo United Movement Revolution. One. Agree to una my people. Make una use all una faith, una heart, to join this movement. Because why? This movement, if you not join them, this killing of 18 Fulani men, Boko Haram, they know if we reach where we dey. Before they reach where we dey, leakage already come. We go know how we take prepare. We not even prepare for ourselves. How we want to prepare for who we want fight. We not even love ourselves. How we want to fight who they bring problem come. I beg, may we share love to each other. And that love we want share for each other. So, now love will be say from the bottom of heart. Not be say you will use one leg, stand with somebody. You go use one leg, stand for the other side. We are those state people. May we stop those things. May we use our full mind to do something. I beg, I use this opportunity to beg every one of you. Great Edo United Movement stand for you and me. To come make us grow. To come make us get say in our land. I agree to now once again. Protect yourself and protect your family. Don't lose guide. Edo youth, don't lose guide. Don't lose guide. One love. Oh.